Okay, and grandma, tong manjang and koge. You know, you welcome. Kay ngodwe. Ya waleda. Ke gawi ke kadia. Kwada tong jaban anyar. When up your meat a pay. Okay, nyali bin. In a bar lay a pay. A lay was amwal. Mabruk dida. Kutao keep you out and get nyali in a gammon way. Nyali can I hear and let down. Nyali kitchen chol ke gamin ke miet pio abato ka we ku ka bato ka gran ba ina lor ko ku ina tit ku etiet di ko ka pe emiten bin ban ke ku god wa tem tin badaj ban lakin akira le kira le time ron bin ban ina wiko o ga pio miet ko be ko pio miet ku nyali bi ina le ko pe.
So, welcome to our gender
That's right.
reveal.
Welcome, folks.
Our first baby. I am mommy.
Yes. I am for sure the dad.
No, we're mama.
And Baba.
Yep, that's how they're gonna call it. What do you think the baby is?
You know what? I think it's whatever baby the Lord has given us. Whether it's a girl or boy, we love you all the way.
What does your heart say?
You know, my heart is leaning a little bit to the blue, right? That's why it's at top. But again, could be a second one too. So either way.
Good.
What are you leaning towards?
I want a healthy baby girl.
That's right.
So,
see, right away.
I mean, if you come out to be a boy, I will love you the same. So we're gonna show our fit check
Oh yeah.
because
We need
we're
a little
unbiased.
something, unbiased.
What are you
colors.
wearing?
So these are Jordan ones, and then got the pink to be able to show.
And blue.
Blue, right. Yep. Got the Mavericks colors.
Mom will always wear neutral.
All the
We'll
time.
always wear white, but we got pink. What is it? Scarf.
Scarf.
And then shoes, blue shoes for the boy.
That's right.
So there you go. This is Mama and Baba.
Yep. So we're excited. We can't wait till you enter this world.
Yeah.
We're gonna be happy with everybody else. Like, yeah.
Yep.
We love you.
Amol and Alai are just going for a walk, and they're in the park, and they see this really cute couple. Wow. And the cute couple is pushing their stroller. And come to find out, it wasn't even a baby in the stroller. Oh! Do I see a disqualification? Little itty bitty baby girl, and she's just running around. That scared me. I ran. Jen got it. Mol, this is an intense game, but Alay's just chilling. She's braiding her hair. The game starts getting intense. Amol starts getting real rowdy because he's getting excited. And Alai is like, oh boy, here he goes. Then again. Amol and Alai are taking their baby to an after-school program. And they're getting really excited. They're getting the baby dressed. And the baby's like, Mommy, Daddy, why do I have to go to this after-school program? And they're teaching the baby, like, all the good things, making friends. There's going to be kids from different backgrounds, so they're just getting the baby excited to go to this after-school program. So finally, they pull up to the after-school program, and the instructor comes out. And the instructor's like, oh my gosh, welcome Amol family. We love y'all. We're so excited to meet so-and-so. They're such a good... And then a car comes screeching by, and they're like, oh, whoa, what's happening? And it's a mom with a van full of little boys and girls. And she's... What, Jen? We were rooting for you. Wow. He was determined to win. He dove for it.
I said, what are you doing? What do you think you're doing?
Whether you are a boy or a girl, you are my grandbaby. You are in my heart here. So welcome to a family of Amol and Alai.
This is TT Anna. I'm your auntie. I think you're a girl. I want you to be a girl, but I want a healthy baby, a healthy niece or nephew.
Gonna be Auntie Galila. I'll be your favorite aunt. I think it's gonna be, you guys are twins. It's gonna be a boy and a girl.
What's your name? What do you think the baby is? A girl? Good. Okay, give it to Junior. It's Junior's turn.
I'm Dane Jr. and I'm his cousin, and I think he's a boy. Her thinks he's a girl, and I think he's a boy.
I'm the baby's favorite aunt, and I know it's a girl, and I can't wait to meet you.
Hi, baby Amol. I'm your actual favorite auntie. I don't know what these people are talking about. I think you're a girl, but for some reason it's giving boy. But, you know, God bless. We'll be happy regardless.
Hi, everyone. My name is Nyan Ding. I'm the auntie to the baby. And I think the baby is going to be a lovely baby. and I already know the gender. So congrats, and I can't wait to meet you.
I'm an uncle to the baby, and I think the baby's gonna be a girl. You're gonna have a great mom.
I'm Auntie Neil, your favorite auntie. I'm so excited to be able to finally meet you when you see this. And right now we are at your parents' gender reveal, and we're very, very excited. So I can't wait to meet you.
Hi, I'm the kid's auntie, and I think the baby's gonna be a boy. Any special message? Good luck.
Maya?
Mayor?
Baba?
I'm your auntie. I cannot wait to meet you, and I think that you're a boy.
Yo, uncle, I think it's gonna be a boy. If it's a boy, we're gonna see you in the league.
Hi, my name is Auntie Adele. I think you are a boy.
Hello, my name is Femi Gobadia. I am the favorite uncle of our future niece or nephew. And, I just want to say, I'm thankful for the parents. I pray they have a safe delivery. And I think it's a girl, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to find out soon. But I just wish them a safe delivery, and I can't wait to meet her.
I'm Auntie Jennifer, Auntie Jenny, whichever you prefer. I do believe you may be a boy, so team boy, but nonetheless, boy or girl, we just want a healthy baby.
Okay, hi, I'm Leslie. I think it's a girl. I think it's gonna be a girl, and I'm so excited.
I am Nash. I'm the uncle to the baby. I think the baby's gonna be a boy. I think it's a boy. Team boy, so that's what we're gonna roll with.
Hi, baby. This is your Auntie Jovi. We're so happy and excited for you. I am a team girl right now.
Hi, my name is Sam, and I am going to be the baby's uncle. And I think it is going to be a boy.
Hi, baby girl. Notice I say baby girl because we're team girl over here. We're so excited to meet you.
Uncle PK here. I'm super excited for your arrival. By this time next year, we're going to be celebrating you and wishing you welcome to the world. I know that you are going to be a girl, of course, with the pink button as well. We're going to celebrate all year long.
Hey there, young man. I'm kidding. I'm Debo Adesina, the first actual uncle. Forget what these guys say.
Hi, baby Amol.
This is Auntie Anna.
This is Uncle Charlie.
And we're so excited that we get to meet you. We love your parents. I think baby's gonna be a girl.
I say a boy. My heart says girl, but my mind says boy, so I'm going with that. So.
Alrighty, looks like a house divided.
I'm Sumto. Favorite uncle, obviously. My vote, obviously, as you can see by my pin, is for a boy.
Hey, baby. It's your uncle, Uncle Ryan. It's a boy.
I'm Jeremy. I'm a family friend to Amol and his lovely wife. And I think the baby will be a boy, hopefully.
I'm the last one that came here, but I'm going to say it's going to be a baby girl.
Baby girl?
Yes.
Hey. Okay, you open it.
Open it. All right.
Wait,
All right.
you just light it.
Light it.
Y'all ready?
Do we just throw it on the ground? Because they said don't hold it.
Oh, and then just place it on the ground.
Yeah.
No,
You-
don't throw it.
No,
Just
you place it over there. I'll place it here.
Okay.
Is it?
1, 2.